Today I show you an unboxing of the Apple USB-C to Lightning adapter, and this is made to use accessories that were made for the Lightning connector into the new iPhones like the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This adapter will allow you to use old accessories that were made for iPhone 14 and before that were using the Lightning port. They will work with USB-C iPhones. At least that's the theory. I want to try to use this with a 32-pin adapter, and the 32-pin adapter for iPod will have an adapter to Lightning, and then this will plug into that Lightning adapter. So that's going to be a long story. Hope it works. Otherwise, I'll use it for the cables or even maybe a thermal camera. I could find a cheaper used thermal camera because the Lightning port now is obsolete, and accessories for it will be cheaper when buying a used and USB-C to Lightning adapter. It's the original Apple. Got this from Amazon. It's an original cable from Apple. It even has this braided design now. I hope that braided design lasts more than the previous plastic one. That's the model number there, MUQX3ZM/A USB-C to Lightning adapter. And that's the barcode, and it's made in 2023 October. Not much information on the sides. Oh, there is something here. Compatible with iPhone and iPad models with USB-C connectors. So it will work with the iPad Pro M5, hopefully. If I need to use maybe a thermal camera, would be nice to find a cheaper Lightning port thermal camera. Let's open this thing. That's it. Pretty easy to open. I like this new style of packaging. It's pretty big actually. I thought it would be smaller. And does it get any stickers? No stickers. Okay, there is nothing else in the box. Warranty summary information in multiple languages. Regulatory compliance information. So there might be something useful here, but I don't know what that means. That's the cable itself. Apple Incorporated. The address of Apple. Main office, I guess. And they have this system. This is original. It's I bought it on Amazon. It was a cheaper price than the local shop, so I got it from Amazon. But it's really sturdy. Wow, this is really beefy, I would say. It's for the Lightning port. Here is like a whole computer in there. Then the USB-C port, that's also pretty solid. I don't know this cable here, how solid it would be. This does look better than the previous cables, the plastic ones that were melting. I will see what happens if I plug in my iPhone directly without plugging in any accessories. It's connected, it's waiting for something that is Lightning to be plugged in, but this port is pretty solid. It's plugging in. It's not working the other way around. So this is meant to plug into your phone, to your iPhone or iPad, USB-C, and then you plug in the accessory that is Lightning. That's it. I'll do a few tests in the car with this one, and hopefully it works how I think to make it work. And I will also show some accessories with the Lightning accessories. I don't have many cables for Lightning. I don't really have many cables for Lightning, but I do have a few. I will see how those work in a future video. But this is what you expect when you get this adapter. This was cheaper than the usual. It was a offer, I think, but Black Friday. And it is the Lightning connector there. That's the Lightning port connector there with this sign. And this is the USB-C connector. So USB-C and Lightning. Thanks for watching.